Decision Making, a global business and technology company. Our mission is to be business partners of our customers in their most difficult decisions. Let's do a short journey through who is Decision Making, our services and the industries that we serve. About Decision Making. Decision Making is an American management consulting boutique, with headquarters in USA and office for EMEA and Spain. Decision Making's partners, associates and consultants summarizes several years of experience in the telecommunications, media, high-tech, fintech and transportation industries. Decision Making's track record includes startups, turnarounds and global business development. Decision Making is a businessman-driven company, focused on doing global business through disruptive technologies. Decision Making's primary goals is to be business partners of our customers in their most difficult decisions. Decision Making offers an ultra-specialized portfolio of services to support global business, decision making, enterprise architecture, business assurance, and digital transformation. Decision Making's reputation is based on a solid commitment with our values: excellence, ethics and confidentiality, confidence and commitment, and results orientation. Our service portfolio. Global business. Our company has addressed and participated in the startup of several global business under the role of promoters, qualified advisors, business partners and stockholders, supporting critical tasks like build a co-founder team to secure key skills and resources, validate, assess and develop ideas or business concepts, as well as their commercial potential, awaited benefits, associated costs and risks, to generate a rapid growth, commit the founding team, their contribution, ownership rights, intellectual properties and agree and execute a shareholders agreement, SHA, early on. Analyze alternatives of financing and indebtedness. Support the strategic development of the venture. Decision Making. The decision making is the process of choosing an alternative or opinion, to solve a present or potential problem. To make a decision, it is important to know and understand the situation or problem, to be able to give a solution. In some cases, the process is made in an implicit way, and it is solved quickly, but other cases the consequences of a bad election can finish in the bankruptcy of the company, in which case it is necessary to make a process of decision-making methodologically more structured. Some decisions are taken frequently, then they are repetitive and become a routine to take them. Nevertheless, there are other decisions that are taken in situations that appear with little frequency. Then, in those type of decisions, it is necessary to follow a model of decision-making to generate a specific solution for this problem. Our company offers professional services, knowledge transfer and executive coaching necessary to identify and analyze business issues, identify decisions criteria and their load, generate a model and evaluate solutions alternatives, implement decisions made and evaluate results. Some typical application cases are alliances, mergers, and acquisitions, objectives definition and strategies formulation, startups, new business, new products, new technologies, or large projects, due diligences, investment, and loan decisions, and turnaround decisions. Enterprise architecture. The enterprise architecture is a discipline dedicated to, proactively and holistically, lead enterprise responses to disruptive forces, by identifying and analyzing the execution of change toward desired business vision and expected outcomes. To that, the core of our service is focused on consistency validation between business transformations as the consequence of new businesses, new revenue streams, cost saving and quality of service initiatives, business process re-engineering to support business transformation, change management needed to drive processes re-engineered, and digital transformation proposed to support business transformations, business process re-engineering and change management actions. Business assurance. In a highly competitive world, where there are an increasing pressure and conflict between the need for results and resources, entrepreneurs, board members and executives found in our company, executive coaching support to exchange views from a position of neutrality, offering a balanced view between business and solutions capabilities, constraints and risks. Get recommendations. Facilitate decision making. Arbitrate disputes between board members and executives. Improve leadership, communication, and processes. Optimize the organization. And improve the skills necessary to optimize the environmental control, reduce stress and work better and more effectively. Agnostic digital transformation. Digital transformation involves management review, root failure causes analysis and SWOT analysis, to identify the reasons for failing performance and rectify and return them to solvency. Once analysis is completed, a long-term strategic plan and restructuring plan are created. Our company has addressed and participated in several technology-agnostic digital transformation processes under the role of turnaround practitioners, qualified advisors, partners or stockholders supporting critical tasks like evaluation and assessment, acute needs identification, restructuring, retrenchment, repositioning, replacement or renewal, stabilization, revitalization, and change, and post-merger acquisition management. Our competences are recognized for their high added value in the following industries. Telecommunications. Our experience enables us to assist our clients in the transformation of the telco business, the startup of 5G, quad play, IoT, Internet of Things, cloud services and other new technologies, the immersion into media business, the simplification of their service catalogs, including the conceptualization of subscriptions and solutions management, the customization of B2C and B2B channels, the transformation of quote to cash including the integration with the provisioning process, the optimization of NLM or network lifecycle management and the CPE or customer premise equipment management, the value engineering of new telecommunication business models. Media. Our experience enables us to assist our clients in the transformation of the media industry, the startup of quad play, Wi-Fi, TVE, TV everywhere, OTT, streaming, video on demand, ubiquity and other new businesses, the immersion into telecommunication business, the simplification of their service catalogs, including the conceptualization of subscriptions and solutions management, the transformation of quote to cash including the integration with the provisioning process, the optimization of CPE or customer premise equipment management, the value engineering of new media business models. High tech. Our experience enables us to assist our clients in the transformation of the high-tech industry, the integration of solutions, implementation of SaaS software as a service, cloud services, UC or unified communications and other new businesses, the simplification of their service catalogs, including the conceptualization of subscriptions and solutions management, the transformation of quote to cash including the integration with the provisioning process, the optimization of CPE or customer premise equipment management, the value engineering of new high-tech business models. Everything as a service. Our experience enables us to assist our clients in the transformation of the manufacturing industry, to move from the one-off business model into a recurrent incomes model, based on subscriptions and consumptions or everything as a service model. The conceptualization of service catalogs, including the conceptualization of subscriptions and solutions management. The implementation of appropriate quote-to-cash solutions. The optimization of CPE, customer premise equipment management. The value engineering of new everything as a service business model. Fintech. Our experience enables us to assist our clients in the design of basic digital wallets including multi-channel access, web and mobile apps, cash in, cash out, settlement, clearing and cash back capabilities. Customization of specific use cases, store wallets for retailers and CPGs, media wallet to pay PPV and VOD contents, transportation wallets dedicated to pay buses, taxis, trains, tolls and other alternatives. Other use cases like campus or university wallets, or teenager wallets that could include parental controls to filter tentative purchasing items. Transportation. Our experience enables us to assist our clients in major use cases for DMVs, departments of motor vehicles, like plates registration and driver licensing. Major use cases for DOTs, departments of transportation, tolling, road usage charging, parking or bridge, visitors passes or congestion management. And fines management challenges. Decision-making's credentials. Decision-making has a large track of complex and challenging startups, turnarounds and global business development ventures, that we preserve, under the umbrella of our ethic and confidentiality values. Decision-making, a global business and technology company. Follow us at our webpage, social networks and our YouTube channel.